Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. This week we'll be talking about struck by hazards in construction. But before we get started, make sure that you give me that thumbs up down below to encourage me to make more videos of this nature. Also, subscribe to the channel where you will find other videos of this nature and you'll be notified of new releases. Well, let's go ahead and get started. Today, we're focusing on one of the fatal four hazards in construction, struck by incidents. These occur when a worker is struck by an object, equipment, or vehicle and are one of the leading causes of injuries and fatalities on job sites. By staying alert and following safety protocols, we can prevent these incidents. What are struck by hazards? Struck by hazards occur in four main categories. Number one, flying objects. Tools, materials, or debris that become airborne due to improper handling, high winds, or mechanical force. An example might be a nail ejected from a nail gun or debris from cutting or grinding. Number two, falling objects. Items that fall from elevated work areas due to improper securing or positioning. Examples would be tools, materials, or equipment falling from scaffolding or cranes. Number three, swinging objects. Equipment or loads that swing unexpectedly. Examples might be crane loads or improperly secured materials shifting during hoisting. And number four, rolling or moving objects. Vehicles, equipment, or loose material that move and strike a worker. Examples would be being hit by a backing truck, heavy machinery, or rolling material. Here are some key causes of struck by incidents. Working near moving vehicles or equipment without proper precautions. Standing under or near suspended loads, using tools or equipment without guards, failing to secure material properly, lack of situational awareness. Here are some safety precautions to prevent struck by incidents. Number one, general awareness. Always be alert and aware of your surroundings. Avoid walking under suspended loads or working in danger zones. Number two, personal protective equipment, also known as PPE. Wear hard hats to protect against falling or flying objects. Use high visibility vests when working near vehicles or equipment. Wear safety glasses to protect against flying debris. Number three, tools and material safety. Secure tools and materials at heights using tool lanyards or nets. Store materials properly to prevent unintentional movement or falling. Inspect tools regularly for damage or defects. Number four, working around equipment. Maintain eye contact with operators and stay out of equipment blind spots. Never assume the operator sees you. Use hand signals or radios when needed. Stand clear of equipment swing zones. Avoid distractions like cell phones while near equipment. Number five, vehicle safety. Use spotters when backing vehicles or maneuvering heavy equipment. Mark pathways and restrict unauthorized access to vehicle operation zones. Install and maintain backup alarms and mirrors. Number six, proper use of machinery. Ensure all machinery and equipment have guards in place. Never disable or bypass safety features. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for use and maintenance. Here's a real-life example. Let me share what happened on a construction site. A worker was walking near a forklift carrying a pallet of bricks. The load was not properly secured. and a sudden stop caused several bricks to fall, striking the worker on the shoulder. Thankfully, he was wearing a hard hat, which prevented a more severe injury. This highlights the importance of proper load securing and wearing PPE. Here's a couple points for discussion. Have you observed any struck by hazards on your site? And how can they be addressed? What additional measures can we take to improve safety around moving equipment or suspended loads? Leave your comments down below. In conclusion, struck by incidents are preventable when we stay vigilant, follow safety protocols, and look out for each other. Let's commit to taking the necessary precautions and speaking up if we see unsafe conditions. Your actions can save a life, maybe even your own. Stay safe and stay alert. All right, boys and girls, that's it for this week's Toolbox Safety Topic video. I appreciate you stopping by. I appreciate you looking. Make sure you leave me a comment down below. Make sure you give me that thumbs up down below to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to the channel where you'll find other videos of this nature, other Toolbox Safety Topic videos, and be notified of new releases. And remember, when on a job site, look out for yourself because you're number one. Look out for your co-workers and help ensure their safety. And most importantly, have a grateful day, and we'll see you next time. Stop. Safety is all on you. It's all on you, man.